Dzień dobry. So we already had our breakfast today. So today is a day where we would like to show you how is the room tour. Maybe you know some of you are curious how is the hotels looks like, the rooms looks like, and then yeah, I'll show you. This is actually the room that facing to the ocean, facing to the like a seafront, something like that. And this is the balcony. And then this is the tree, look like olive trees, right? Like I told you, the olive grows very well here. And here is our bedroom. And yes, simply like this. And what I like, it's just like the industrialist with the, you know, kind of the painting on the ceilings, you know, like you see the ceiling still like industrialist, something like this style. It's like the boho chic style hotels. And yeah, I'll show you. Sorry for the wardrobe, you know, and the thingy, and the toilet. This is the toilet, the shower room, and the amenities, and also that's over there is the toilet. So that's it. Simply chic boho style, and I really like it. Okay, so now we will go to the restaurant because we've got all inclusive, you know, like breakfast, lunch, dinner is already, you know, included with everything. And this is the corridor of the hotel. So yeah, let's go. We arrived in the first floor. This is actually the restaurant. So I'll show you around how it is. And Albanian food is really good. Let's go. Actually, for the all inclusive, so mostly they have a buffet, and this is Ilmi, the restaurant manager. He's a very friendly, and he always makes sure everything went well here. So yeah, I'll show you what's the food. Pizza, Damian really loves it. Pizza is a must. And this one is just like birek or something like that, the traditional Albanian food. Pizza, and like this. Oh la la, so many nice food. And this one is the salad station, and the chef is there, fresh cook for you. And look at this one, the squid. And also in Albania is famous for the seafood. I'm a seafood lover. Look at this fish. Oh la la. And like I told you, here they freshly cook for you. Wow. And here, you know, like Albanian food, they blend between the Mediterranean and also with the Ottoman. Something like Turkish, something like that, right, Kahanye? And yeah, look at this one. Ooh. Oh la la, smells so good. And the thing is that all the sitting arrangement is facing to the sea. I'll show you how it looks. It's very nice. And from here, you see, you can get the fresh breeze from the Adriatic Sea. Highly recommended. And with the style, with the boho chic style, this is what I really like. Let's meet the chef, you see? Hi! And he's the chef here, and
Yes.
he always makes sure the food here is always top notch. Highly recommended.
Thank you.
Guys,
Thank you.
I'm really nervous with this handsome guys. So I'm a sweet person, I love dessert, and here I'll show you the selection of the dessert here. Ooh la la, kadaif. Like I told you, the Albanian food is, ooh la la, it's so good. And here, I don't know what sort of the fruit. This is the local fruit actually, and like this. And then look at this one. It looks amazing, no? Kompe kaye. This is a traditional Albanian dish. So good. And the thing, the selection of the salad, so many. And the food quality, top notch. Highly approved. Okay, so I will go down. Down is actually the restaurant, the a la carte restaurant. I'll show you around, and I really like the architecture of the stairs here. It looks like shells. So I'll show you. Come, kochanie. Okay, so that's over there is the lobby, and then I'll go down to show you. This is the a la carte restaurant. So for those of you, if you are not the guest of the hotel, you can still come here to enjoy the restaurant, and it's really nice. The architecture looks like a shell, and with the boho chic style. This is what I really like, which is, and here is actually the the beach, and beautiful sunshine, a beautiful weather today, is warm, and then warm the hospitalities from the staff as well. This is not paid endorsement, but I really like to show you how it is. This is how the monkeys. Okay, let's go. And that's our room over there. I'll show you. So they've got the 3 swimming pools, that over there, and this one pool for the kids, and that also pool over there next to the restaurant. And here is the lobby area, and look at the ceiling. This is a very unique, you know, like there are so many faces on the wall, and I think that every face looks different. No, it's nice. That's the lobby over there, and straight after the lobby, this is the bar. So there are so many selection of the drinks that you can choose. You wanna have a cocktail, you have to have alcoholic drinks or whatever it is. And here is the restaurant. So for those of you outside guests, don't worry, you still can enjoy the vibe here. You can, you know, enjoying the meal, food, drinks, whatever you order, directly face to the Adriatic Sea. This is what I really like. So cool, isn't it? But now, I will not jump to the pool, but later, after I have my lunch. Let's go. Okay, so I already showed you the restaurant, the lobby, and everything. Now let's go down. So they also have a wellness here and a spa. And of course, they have a gym, jacuzzi, they have a sauna place. And look, it's nice. I'll show you around. And here is the hot. It's quite hot. And here's the sauna room. There's a sauna room over there. And here is the jacuzzi. That's a jacuzzi over there. And that's the pool. It's nice. And they also have a salt room over there. And that's the gym over there. It's very relaxing place. And here is the wellness center. So we were there before. And here is the spa room. I like to have a spa. Very relaxing place. Like a dome, like a small houses, you know. So it's very intimate room to enjoy, relax. And so, highly recommend it. Here is the lobby. I'll show you a little bit outside. And we will go to, hey, nice malu, no? So nice, very vintage car. And that is from the outside. And I'll show you around. Here is kind of the beach club or something like that with the boho chic style. No? And here it is. This one is the swimming pool, and that's over there is normally like you know, performance music, live performance, and also they have like a DJ sometimes in a, you know, a special occasion. So for me who like a beach club vibe, it's nice weather today. And yeah, for those all inclusive, they mostly also provided with the snack here, unlimited snack, fruit, and also unlimited drinks. Right, so now it's time to taste the food, and I'm a seafood lover, so first of all I will take the fish. This one is the cod fish with the Albanian spices or something like that, and this one the calamari, one thing that I eat a lot. That's so good. I'll show you how it is. And this one is the shrimp salad with the olive. So here in Albania, famous for the olives products and everything, the salad and everything is, you know, with olive. And this one, I don't know what it is, but it looks so tempting. Maybe I will try this one first because it says there it's the traditional food here. Ooh la la, this is so good. Albanian food, top notch. You definitely has to try it. Come to Albania, enjoy the food, enjoy the Adriatic Sea. So good.
And there's some my food also. I'm gonna show you. Similar. This Greek salad or whatever is Balkan salad is just so basic, but it's so good, and so many other stuff, and everything with the nice view.
I'm a sweet person, like I told you. I really love dessert. Here, I took all the Albanian dessert. This one, kombekaye. I forgot the name, but this one is made of the coconut and something. And this one also made of cherries. And this one, I forgot the name. If you are Albanian who watch my video, you definitely can help me. And all the desserts. And here is the kadafi. I should try one here. One by one. Okay. So sweet. And this one, the coconut one, I will try. And this one, oh my god. Sweet, but it's not that super sweet. It's really like the level of sweetness. That's what I like. And this one, the kadafi. This one is the most sweet. This one is the sweetest. Macchiato. Cheers.
Alright, so that was our it is still all-inclusive holiday here in Albania. Like I said yesterday, we decided to come to Albania mostly because we really want to see all the Balkan countries, and me too, I never been in Albania before, and not too many people coming yet. That's why I think it's really underrated still place to visit. And this hotel, 5-star resort here in DURRES, Albania, cost us on all-inclusive 5 nights for 4 nights 5 days, together with the LOT Polish airline flights from Warsaw to Tirana in Albania, organized by Ithaca travel company, combined together with the, of course, transfers and everything and insurance on the top of it, cost us 2,600 zloty per person, which is actually pretty good value, especially for this one, what you can see everything around. And the quality of the hotel, and especially the food and everything, is really top class. Really, like I said yesterday's video, Albania really surprised us, and this is not a joke. It's really cool place. And the weather, sometimes at night it's already chilly, but it's October already. It's October, so in Poland was 12 degrees when we left. So this is still cool. And okay, that's it for today's video, only about the hotel and where we stay. Tomorrow's video will be from DURRES city, which is there. All the tall buildings, what you can see over there, they will be on tomorrow's video. I hope so you enjoy. If you're thinking to come to Albania, highly recommended this hotel, EPIDAMN White Sensation. And on the top of it, I would like to just notice this is not a paid endorsement. Either the travel company Itaka or either this hotel never paid us for anything, but because this is Albania and not too many people still coming here, we decide as we're gonna help them promote each company a little bit, especially the hotel here, and actually could be paid endorsement for the future videos. Let's say if we go to, I don't know, Morocco or whatever, they already keeping well, everybody know this destination, so maybe somebody would like to email us. We are happy for collaboration, but this particular one is not paid endorsement. Just wanted to notice. Okay, see ya, take care.